Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Alright Jelly Beans, I have another unboxing video. If you guessed it, yes, diecast, but I have a problem. And I will get to the problem after I tell you where I got these goodies from. I got 3 boxes, 2 of them are from the same people. One box is from 314 Collectibles. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yes, you remember him from such films as Packin' Peanuts. Packin' Peanuts! Come on! And the other one is called... Yes. I'll get right back to you. Alright y'all, I just had a brain fart. It's Dark Iron Collectibles. Another great guy. He does gauntlet races. It's like the whole entire track. I explained this quite a few times before. Gauntlet races and drag racing. And it's really freaking awesome. Alright everybody, let's get into this video. Alright. I'm not opening this box first. I'm waiting until it's later. But look at this wonderful box from the post office. Yes, the post office, even though the box says fragile, they still destroyed the box. United States Postal Service, come on, what's going on with you people? Get your act straight. And all these wonderful boxes are from Whatnot. If you ask what Whatnot is, it's a online video auction site. You go in there, you chat with other people, chat with the host. It's awesome, good people. I have not had a bad experience from them yet, besides the Postal Service. And some of the people have a store, online shop for Whatnot, and you don't have to go into the auction. They do have, like I said, the shop. You see what they have in our shop. That's what I did with 314 Collectibles, which I've done that a couple times in the past. Because I have not been able to catch his live streams, because he does it late at night, and I, obviously, a school bus driver, I have to get up early in the morning, and I can't watch his live stream. So I see, sometimes I go in his shop, see what he has, and I buy it because I like it. All right, everybody, I rambled on enough. Let's rip this box open. I don't know if there's Packin' Peanuts in here because the box is not that big. And he's known for giving me tons and tons of Packin' Peanuts. Alright, let's rip this box open. Hey, John proofed this one. Come on, man, with this tape. Does Santa Claus tape your kids' toys like this? Come on, man. I can't find a spot to get in. I swear you do not want me to open this box. Come on, man. This whole video is going to be me just opening your box, 314. What the heck, man? Finally, a starting point. Yeah! I got it! I got it! Oh yeah, I'm doing this on my new phone. I've had this phone for about a month now. I like it, and the video quality looks... And yes... What does he put in here? Packin' Peanuts. I thought we were friends, 314. I thought we were friends. Packing peanuts. I was wrong. Alright. Everybody, here we go. Illuminati? Third generation Camaro? What? Check this puppy out. That's nice. I like it. Oh, I like that. Oh, check out that sexy rear end. Oh my, yeah. That's really nice. I like that 314. Thank you very much. Always one of my favorite Packers, you know. That's the Packing Peanuts. Alright, here we go. With the other box. With this box from 314 Collectibles. Not 314 Collectibles, Dark Iron Collectibles. I'm sorry, from Dark Iron. Ooh-wee, what do we got down in here? Hello, are you in there? Woo! It's a bag inside of a box. What do we got here? Feels like, some Lucy McGoosies. Whoop! It failed. Alright, here we go. The VW pickup truck. Woo-wee! That's a very nice ride. I don't even know what this VW pickup is called. Besides a Volkswagen. Woo-wee! Here we go, some Valvoline. That's a nice looking ride with some rubber tires. Yeah. Ooh, moving parts too. Nicey. What is this thing? Oh, one of those desert cars. Here goes my Pontiac Trans Am or Firebird, whatever you call it. Want to call it the same thing, obviously. What is this thing? Mustang. The model after the Fox body. Yeah, the 90s. Ooh-wee. And here we go. Ooh, this is nice. I wanted to try this on a drag race, but I was afraid because the tires are so far up in there. Oh yeah. No moving parts on this. Oh, thank you, Dark Iron. Yeah. All right, here we go. For the destroyed box of Dark Iron. From the mailman, post office, destroying my box. This is my championship box that I won 2 weeks ago. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. What do we got in here? And this is great because there's toys for tots in this. There's mystery gifts in here. And there's something in there that I won for a championship. A couple things I won for a championship. There's a trophy thing in there. Yeah. For winning the gauntlet. I'm praying that I'm able to get back in there on Monday. I'm hoping I'm able to make enough money tonight doing lifts or something like that. So so I'm able to continue my championship. All right, let's go. What do we got here? Very nice. What is this? I don't even know what the heck this is. Very nice car. That's what that is. It is nice, but I think I don't think yeah, I did this one. Yeah, this is very nice. I think this is a Nova. I'm not sure. Very nice. It's a weird looking big car. This, yes, I thought this would have one, but it didn't. It kept flipping over. That's so sad. So sad. There was a lot of flipovers during that race. A lot. A lot of people went down. They went down, did not make it. They flipped it over. Yes, including my limo. This was full of people up there. Yeah, I like that. It was pretty cool. It was doing good until it got to a certain part. It flipped over. Dark Iron. I think I know what happened to Watt's stuff. So I think that was his, right? I think that was his too. I'm not sure. Very nice cars. I like all. Alright. Alright, here we go. Here is what I won for winning the championship. Rogue from X-Men. Take that price tag off. The Toys for Tots are gonna make out like bandits from me. Rogue. Very nice. Star Wars. This is C-3PO. Oh, wait a minute. Some of the stuff might be mystery stuff because I did do mystery. Like I broke the barrier quite a few times. Oh yeah. Wait till you see my championship. I'm guessing this is a puzzle. I'm not sure. Let me open it up. It's a puzzle. I think I know some people that will like that. They're Star Wars nuts. I'm not a Star Wars person. I'm saving the trophy for last. Because he ran out of trophies, and this is what he had to give me for a trophy, and I think it's freaking awesome as hell. I'm kind of glad I did win the championship, because this is freaking awesome, because there's so many trophies up in there. They're Dale Earnhardt Senior trophies. This is freaking awesome. Thank you, Dark Iron. I really like this. I'm not really a NASCAR fan. The funny thing is, but I like this. I did like it back in the early 90s and beginning of 2000, but this is great. I really like this. Thank you very much, and Everybody, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace. Oh yeah, before I forget, everybody's link is down below, so you go check them out. Dark Irons and 314 Collectibles. Their link's down below, and mine is as well. So you can sign up and get your $10 in-app credit. Woo! That will go towards your first purchase. So remember to click my link.